Problems 10 through 13, I talk very fast, so you might want to use the pause or rewind. We need to get the absolute value sign by itself, then we can split it into two equations. Subtract 3 from both sides, so we have absolute value of 2x is greater than 6. Now that I have this isolated, I can split this into the plus and minus. So I have 2x is greater than 6, and I should do 2x, change the sign around, is less than or equal to, or less than, negative 6. Divide by 2, x is greater than 3. Divide by 2, x is less than negative 3. So I'm at 3 and negative 3. If I am x is greater than 3, we have the open circle, and it goes that way. If I have x is less than 3, I have the open circle, and it goes this way. Number 11, the absolute value is set by itself, so we're ready to go. 1 minus x is less than or equal to 3, and we need to do 1 minus x is greater than or equal to negative 3. Watch out for when you have to turn the sign around. I subtract 1 from both sides, so negative x is less than or equal to 2. Divide both sides by a negative 1. X is greater than or equal to negative 2. Same thing over here. Subtract 1 from both sides. Negative x is greater than or equal to negative 4. Divide both sides by negative 1. So x is less than or equal to 4. Watch out for, again, for where we turn the signs around. You can see that with a little bit of red. So we have a negative 2 and a positive 4. So at negative 2 and positive 4 are the points on my graph. Because of the inequality and the equals, these circles will be filled in because it includes those points. X is less than 4 would be less than 4, and x is greater than negative 2 would be going that way. So of course you fill in between. These graphs will either point directly opposite or directly towards each other. They never point in the same direction. This one, we add 1 to both sides. So we have negative absolute value of x minus 4 is less than negative 2. Divide both sides by a negative 1. So we have absolute value of x minus 4. Turn the sign around is greater than 2. We are now ready to split the inequality. X minus 4 is greater than 2, and x minus 4 is less than negative 2. Add 4 to both sides, x is greater than 6. Add 4 to both sides, x is less than 2. So our numbers are 6 and 2. If x is greater than 6, it starts at 6, open circle, and goes bigger. And this is x is less than 2, so it starts at 2 and goes lower. Circle all the following numbers that are part of the solution set to number 12. Don't include the 6. Everything bigger than 6 is correct. So don't include the 6. We had a 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 works. And everything that is less than 2, that should be an open circle. So less than 2, 0, and negative 6. Those are your answers there.